All right, what's up, house fans? It's me, Packy, and today I'm here at North Rock Lanes, and I'm shooting 300 today. Well, I'm gonna bowl 300 at some point. It's either gonna be today, tomorrow, the day after that. I don't know, however many tries it's gonna take me, I'm shooting 300 in this video. And as a special part of this video, we are giving away a Brunswick bowling ball. All you have to do to enter is be a subscriber of the channel and comment down below the ball that you shot your high game with. If you wanna tell us a little story, do that too. But before I talk too much, I think it's gonna take me a while. Hopefully it doesn't, but I have a feeling it's gonna take me a while, so let's just get right to striking, hopefully.
Well, we've had about 15 tries here. The most I've strung is 6 in a row because I got a feeling some house balls went down the lane for a while last night. So I just got to keep moving and really throw good shots with it to string any amount of strikes. So this is getting depressing. And here we go. day one of me trying to shoot 300. I'll be back tomorrow for day two. Well, I guess I'll be back in like 10 seconds for day two of me trying to shoot a 300 at North Rock. I am not gonna stop this video until I do it. What's up, guys? We're here at North Rock and we are here to shoot 300, hopefully. I got a melee jab, a pandemonium solid, and I'm gonna get this 300 done today. It's gonna happen. So let's get to striking.
I think today's the day. I think I'm gonna do it today. Oh, left. Got him. Rolled but left. Last game I had like 2 or 3 messenger 7s and then I ended up with a 7-pin. So I think with that I just gotta go a little straighter. I can't bank on the messenger 7 all the time. Who do you think I am, Mitch Hoope? One more? This is just gonna be a messenger compilation video. Well, I was lucky enough for the player next to me to allow me to switch lanes because getting a little toasty and I just don't know how to bowl on the toast. So, and here's the player that I switched lanes with. So shout out to whoever that guy is. What the well, that's our target. Why would I do that? I've pulled into frustration station. Can't string more than 7. Not good. You wrap 7s every time you miss it. All right, so right now, I feel like I'm gonna give it about 15 more minutes. I'm gonna try and throw maybe the Web Tour hybrid, a little more risky, and hopefully I can string a couple more. All right, this one's like, this one's going a little more flush than the others. Dude, what the? I'm done bowling. I'm so mad. Ah! Yep. Can I just get one string, please? Okay, this is my time to shine. Well, I've been here for like an hour and a half or 2 hours. I'm giving it one more try. After I get a 3-bagger, that's my last try. So once I break that 3-bagger, it's my last try. So here we go. Last try, day 2. Well, I didn't do it today, and the lesson learned is if I don't do it in the first 30 minutes or string a bunch of 7-baggers in the first 30 minutes, leave right away. So I spent 2 hours here, and now I'm leaving. Next time, day 3 will be a maximum of 30 minutes. All right, guys, what's up? We're back for day 3. I brought some new balls again, and here we go. We're back at it, trying to shoot 300, so let's just get right into it. Oh, that's 8-pin. I threw it slow and I got around it and I was like, that's the miss. That's the 8-pin every time. Always, you have to capitalize. The bad shot has to be followed by a good shot. And usually the good shot wraps ends. Oh my God. Got it. And that's 3 days worth of trying to shoot 800.
You mean 300?
I shot 868. That's 3 days of trying to shoot 300. What's up, guys? That was my bowling until I shoot 300 video. I ended up bringing 3 different sets of balls on 3 different days. I ended up shooting it with the counterattack on really it was like try number 6 or 7 on today, day number 3. But it took me about 60 million tries. So I'll catch you guys on the next video and the next challenge. Peace.